Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their home or studio's soundproofing game. Get ready to discover the best attic insulation for soundproofing on the market. Introducing the Focusound 52-pack acoustic foam panels. These innovative panels are not just your average foam insulation. They're engineered to provide outstanding soundproofing performance, making them perfect for transforming any space into a haven of tranquility. What sets these panels apart? Let's dive into the features. With a high density of 25 kilograms per cubic meter and a unique triangular groove structure, these panels excel at absorbing unwanted echoes, waves, reverb, and flutter echoes. Say goodbye to disruptive noise and hello to pristine sound quality. The package includes an additional 270 pieces of strong double-sided adhesive tape, ensuring easy installation and protecting your walls from damage. No fuss, no mess, just seamless soundproofing. Remove the compressed foam from its packaging, and watch it quickly restore to its original shape. No more waiting around. These panels are ready to work their magic right out of the box. Whether you're setting up a home recording studio, a vocal booth, or simply want to improve the acoustics in your office or living space, these panels have you covered. Enjoy a quiet, comfortable environment wherever you go. Safety is paramount, which is why these panels boast strong fire resistance and excellent air permeability. Rest easy knowing you're investing in a product that prioritizes safety, comfort, and health. But don't just take our word for it. Customers are raving about the Focusound acoustic foam panels. Dominic says, "Great for the price," while Johnny describes them as absolutely phenomenal. With over 2,000 positive ratings, it's clear that these panels deliver on their promise of quality and performance. Now, let's talk specifics. Each panel measures 1 by 12 by 12 and comes in a convenient pack of 52. The panels are available in classic black, adding a sleek touch to any space. Plus, with a noise reduction coefficient of 0.4, you can trust that these panels will effectively dampen sound and enhance your listening experience. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the ultimate solution to soundproofing your attic or any other space, look no further than the Focusound 52-pack acoustic foam panels. With their exceptional performance, easy installation, and versatile applications, these panels are a game-changer for anyone who values peace and quiet. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy soundproofing!